an ideal coil of 10 Henry is connected in series with a resistance of 5 ohm and battery of 5 volt. 2 seconds after the connection is made, the current flowing in amperes in the circuit is how much? Okay, an ideal coil of 10 Henry is connected in the series with a resistance of 5 ohm and battery of 5 volt. 2 seconds after the connection is made, the current flowing in an ampere in the circuit is how much? Okay, here L equal to 10 Henry and resistance is equal to 5 ohm. Okay, resistance is equal to 5 ohm and voltage is equal to 5 volt. Okay, voltage is equal to 5 volt. So now we have to find the growth current of LR circuit. Okay, the growth of current in an LR circuit. Okay, that form is I equal to I naught times 1 minus e to the power minus r by L of t. Okay, so I equal to I naught is equal to epsilon by r, voltage by resistance. Okay, voltage by resistance whole of 1 minus e to the power minus r by L of t. Okay, so I is equal to the value of epsilon is equal to 5, resistance also 5 by 5. Okay, 1 minus e to the power, this one is mine, r is 5 and time is after 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds after the connection is made, so time is 2 divided by 5. Okay, so I is equal to, here got it, so 1 minus e to the power minus 2. Okay, so sorry, L equal to 10 not 5, so value of L is equal to 10. Okay, 10, so that means 1. Okay, L is equal to 1. Okay, so L equal to 10, so L is equal to L, value of L is not 5, equal 10. So therefore I equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 1. So your correct answer is option A is correct. Okay, so option A is correct. Therefore option A is correct. Okay, so the question is very easy. So inductor L is 10 Henry, that means inductor is given and connected in a series with a resistance, so resistance R is 5 ohm and a battery of 5 volt, so epsilon equal to 5 volt. So and 2 seconds after the connection is made, the current flowing in ampere in the circuit is how much? Okay, so the growth of current in an LR circuit, that form is I equal to I naught times 1 minus e to the power minus r by L of t. Okay, so I equal to, here I naught equal to epsilon by r. Okay, I naught equal to epsilon by r. Okay, and so epsilon by r, epsilon equal to 5 and value of r is equal to 5, 1 minus c r L by t. Okay, so here 5 by 5, 1 minus c r equal to 5, t is equal to 2 second, here 2 is equal to 2, here 2 second. Okay, and L equal to 5, 10. Okay, L is equal to 10. So we got it, 5 2 again 2 2. So I equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 1. So I is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 1. That means option A is correct. Okay.